Hi, this is Wanny Huynh. Welcome to part 3 of the video series on how to create wealth on any income. This is the one secret of how the rich get richer is by having their money working hard for them. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start having your money working hard for you by investing in stocks and businesses. And the good news is you don't need to have a lot of money to get started. All you need is $500 to $1,000 and add to it as you earn and save more money. In time, you will begin to see your money earning interest, and that interest will start earning more interest for you. That's the power of compounding interest. Before I get ahead of myself, here's a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor or a tax advisor. I recommend you seek out expert advice from a financial expert or a tax advisor before you start out. In the description below, I will list a reference of a financial advisor who I know and trust. You can reach out to him for more information. Another thing I recommend you do before you do anything else is this. Go to your local library and check out books on how to invest and learn the basics. Because in the investment world, it's a whole new language. Make sure you understand the term and vocabulary of the investment. You don't need to be an expert, but it's good to know just the basic. Know a little bit on the topic so when you meet with your advisor, you can understand some of the new terminology that they be using. A good financial advisor will take you by the hand and walk you through it step by step. In time, you will learn as you grow. I will also list some of the books that I recommend in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Investing in stock and businesses is a form of vehicle that can help you achieve financial freedom and build wealth in the long run. You want to get into the game as soon as you can. Like I said earlier, you don't need much money to get started. Don't wait. You can start today by reading books on investing, and in your spare time, do some research on your own. But the good news is that I want you to do something and just keep you moving. The more you know, the more money you will make. Never stop learning and growing. In the next video, I will share with you how you can start to build your online business. You don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon. That way you will get notified when the video is being uploaded. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'll talk to you soon.